the set phi has no elements, since phi is element of set, so phi is no non-empty set. So here phi is non-empty set. Now moving further, given statement we can say is false. So our first statement is false. Now moving for the second statement. For second statement we have told for all sets A and B, all set A and B is A intersection B is less than equal to A union B. So here we are going to understand with the help of diagram. So firstly we are taking a universal set. Under that this is our A, this is our B, and this is our A intersection B. Now here we will show A, B, or this is our diagram for A union B. A union B means all the part of A and all the parts of B. Here A intersection B means only this part. So as we can see, this part is greater and this part is minimum. So we can say A intersection B is less than equal to A union B, and from that we can say the given statement is true. So statement second is true. And statement 1 is false. Moving further, here for statement third, for all function f and g, the composition of f of g is defined. This is our statement third. So given statement is false. So the third point is false. Now moving for the fourth part, if function x belongs to y is a function such that y is the range of f, then f is on 2. So here we will consider codomain of y, or we can say codomain of f is equals to y, and range of f is equals to y. So codomain of f is equals to range of f. From here these two equations will combinedly we can say codomain is equals to range of f. So this statement is true. So statement 4 is true. and statement third is false. So from here we are concluding that statement 1 is false, statement 2 is true, statement third is false, statement 4 is true.